Who do you see? You see Coco? This is Precious. My son rescued him when he was a baby at a playground. And he brought him home, and we tried to find the owner with no luck. So we decided to keep him and learn as we go and love him and let him be part of the family. So that's what's happening. But he definitely has a lot of love to give. You're a sweetheart. Yes. So handsome. Look at you. So, ooh, my goodness. Both the dogs are used to him now, so that's good. And he's really attached to everybody, the whole family. He flies when everyone comes home to each person. He's out of the cage most of the day. He just goes in and takes a nap. You're okay. It's okay. Zoe was just walking by. You're okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's your guitar. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, everybody.